Hi everyone, it's Lisa Moore here, your instructor for English 102 online at GCC. I know you haven't seen my face for a while. I'm not sure if any of you guys are going to even remember to watch these videos, but I'm back. Like you, I assume, things get really sticky in October and early November. So I've been really weighted down with coursework from my 3 classes. I have a few accelerated classes that weren't with me in the beginning of the semester when I was super attentive to you. So now I have 3 classes and lots to grade, and I really spent a ton of time this weekend. Nice long 3-day weekend, just really hacking through my stacks of scoring. To the point that right now I actually don't have anything to score for you guys, which is great. I need to go look in the grade book and make sure if there's some things that were supposed to automatically populate that all those grades are accurate. So I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to be making sure that all of you are attentively attending class. If you have not submitted anything for 10 days, I will be withdrawing you from the course. I will withdraw you in that kind of a way where it doesn't affect your GPA, but I will withdraw people who have been gone for 10 days or more. For the most part, though, those of you who are still here are doing a great job. Okay. So you should have just gotten back from me your feedback on paper number 2. Paper number 2 is the introductory paper to your big paper that we're writing. You'll submit all of your papers rolled into one, for paper number 5 in December, which is sneaking up on us, isn't it? But right now you've done paper 1, which was the outline, looking forward at how you'll organize the whole paper. You've done paper 2, which is the intro. You'll see a lot of you, I said, go back to the drawing board. You need to give me a lot more background, the history of this topic, and I need you to discuss the current context in our political climate that has made this issue be so divisive. Why is this a black and white, two-sided issue? If you spent time arguing your point in paper number 2, I also let you know you need to remove that. That's paper number 2 is just the intro to the paper, a big, long background history intro. In paper number 3, which is due tomorrow, you start with your thesis statement, like open up with your statement, and you give me at least 3 really strong, well-developed, super researched paragraphs that are supporting your argument. And that's paper 3. Paper 4 is going to come fast on the heels, and we won't do a peer review for paper 4. Paper 4 is where you're going to present an honest look at the counter-argument out there to your argument. Don't present the straw man. Don't present something that's too simple. Present the real argument of the opposition, and then spend time using logic and research to make an argument that that side's point of view is inaccurate or is incorrect. That's paper 4. And paper 4 is due November 21st, so right before Thanksgiving, I believe. So that one is real quick. You'll notice, however, that the rest of the work in this class is really tapered off. You don't have as many lessons, you don't have as many prospectus, you don't have as many discussions. It's starting to wind down. And what I assume you are doing with this extra time is making sure that you have all of your research. I'm making sure that you are taking my feedback on your final drafts of papers 1 and 2 and revising them, that you're putting your effort into a great paper 3 and a great paper 4. So you're not learning about research anymore. Now you're actually doing it and you're writing your papers. So just because you have fewer due dates in class doesn't mean you should be spending any less time in this class. It just means that the time you spend should be on that final paper. Now look at my notes and see if there's anything else I wanted to share with you. Email conferences are coming up. I do have a note in the module asking you to initiate an email conference with me. And I'm just going to send out a few questions. I like to touch base with you, see how research is going, see how you're feeling, that sort of a thing. And once I send it to you, you have a week to reply, and basically easy points. Just be honest with me and talk to me about where you're coming from, and do make sure that you initiate it with me. I think that's about it for now. Thank you guys for being patient. I know I haven't done any videos for a little while, but I'm hoping to finish strong in the last few weeks. Okay, as always, you can see me in Canvas and send me a message if you have any questions, comments, issues, panic attacks. I am here. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.